Hi there learners, welcome to today's video in which we are quickly going to talk about some terms around income and expenditure, right? And you'll see some of the terms that we are going to be dealing with. We're looking at the ways, people are actually making money. And there's going to be terms like salary, wages, commission, casual work, and piecework. So let's go and have a look at what these terms mean, because these things are going to come up when we deal with questions around income and expenditure. So what is a salary? This is something where you have an employee who's working. This person receives a monthly amount. This amount is negotiated upon for a year, and they generally don't get paid any real overtime, right? So that's a salary that's been paid on a monthly basis. When we talk about wages, this is where an employee receives a weekly amount. This is usually given at a fixed rate per week, and they can earn extra working overtime as well. When we work on commission, this is where an employee receives a percentage of the sales that he or she was responsible for. So like when you sell a house and they say, well, I've made 5% commission on the sale of that house, that is what the employee will receive, a percentage of the sales that they were responsible for. And then we have casual work. This worker's pay is based on an hourly rate. This can be paid weekly, and unfortunately it works on a basis of no work, no pay, because the person is there casually. So it can even be like 2 or 3 days out of the week, etc. Then we have piecework. Not peace as in we want world peace, no. Okay, this is where a person would receive an agreed amount on completion of a specific task. So you ask someone, you want them to, let's say, clear your garage, and the two of you agree, well, in order to clear the garage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay you 500 Rand. When they finish that specific task and you pay them for that task, that is piecework. Okay, that's not casual work. So it's important just to know the difference between these terms. So when it comes up and when you are asked to deal with documents around these things, you know exactly what they are talking about.